Queensland's only camel dairy is about to take part in a groundbreaking study into the benefits of the milk for children with autism. It's investigating the link between the brain and the health of the digestive system.
This isn't a mirage. In the morning mist with the Glasshouse Mountains as a backdrop stands a dairy with a difference. The cows are camels.
We're milking 8 to 10 every day at the moment, but we have about 17 pregnant and we're bringing in more camels all the time.
Q-Camel is Queensland's only accredited camel dairy. It's a labour-intensive process. The camel cows can't be separated from their calves, reducing the yield of milk. But even at $26 upwards a litre, they're selling out of their pasteurised milk every week.
We air freight our milk around the country.
Most people would say it tastes salty. It's a little bit more watery than cow's milk, perhaps.
It's not the taste, but the health benefits that have convinced Brisbane's Autism and Gut Centre to trial using camel milk yoghurt and probiotics in a special diet to treat children with autism.
We can get really beautiful improvements in their speech, in their behaviour. We see more socialisation, more eye contact. It's really wonderful.
The molecular makeup is different from cow's milk, aiding digestion. Dr Heather Way says there's mounting evidence the gut and the brain are linked.
It turns out that our gut health is paramount and that these children on the spectrum have big problems with their gut.
Within the next month, an Ivy League USA university will launch a study of the centre's camel milk yoghurt diet involving 300 children.
There's got to be a research project to prove those results.
It's very exciting.
Jennifer Nichols, 7 News.